Hi guys, it's Maggie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and doing a makeup look on the new Aina X ABH palette. It looks like so. Very pretty packaging, and of course, this is what the inside looks like. I am so happy she came up with this palette. All the colors look so beautiful. Before we get started, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started. To prime my face, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm using the shade Tan Deep Sand. I'm going to blend that out all over my eyes. Okay, so I think I'm going to start out with the shade Supreme, which is this shade right here. It is this pink shade, and I'm going to lightly blend that on the crease. I'm going to blend that up very close to my brow bone. Okay, so next I'm going into the shade Big Wig, which is this matte purple shade right here. I'm going to focus the shade on my lower crease and my outer lid area. I'm going to dab it in my outer lid first, and then I'm going to blend that up in the crease. Okay, so now I'm just going to cut my crease. I'll be right back. Okay, so for the lid, I'm going to use the shade Shockington, which is this very pretty shimmer purple right here. This applies very smoothly, as you can see. I'm going back into Big Wig and just fix the outer corner and blend it into the shimmer. So now I'm going to do my face, and then I'm going to come back to finish the eyes. I'm gonna go back into the pink shade called Supreme, and I'm just going to blend the top one more time. Okay, so I just added some black eyeliner on my waterline, and I'm going into Big Wig one more time and add the shade Big Wig on my lower lash line. And I'm going to blend it out with Supreme. I want to add a pop of color in the inner corner, so I'm going to use the shade Trust Issues, which is this one right here, and I'm just gonna pop it right here. I'm going to add some Ardell lashes in the style 811. For mascara, I'm using my Tom Ford mascara. Okay, so I'm just going to finish my lips, and then I'm going to come back with the final look. But yeah, this is the final look. Okay, so I really enjoyed using this palette. The packaging is super nice. The colors are super nice and super pigmented. I will continue to do more looks with this, but this is what I came up with today, of course, obviously. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys back on my next video. Bye.